still good. I don't even care. Woohoo! 100 in at 311. Alright, cool.
Yeah. Got 2 bonuses about to happen right here on the same bet. Yeah, don't let it die. Yes! Come on, drop that major, please. Please drop that major. I would freak the fuck out. Hey, that's a good one. Wow, that's still good. $175. First game. Chip, 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 chip. Go. Hey, that's still a hit. That's still a line. Lined up. Chip, 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 chip. Cards, yeah. Lined up. Oh, nice, baby. Hey, little ones pay big ones. Last game. Over 250. Come on, chip. Dang, baby. Come on, go. Wake up. Come on, chip, 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 chip. Okay. Jacks or wilds. Ooh. That's what I'm saying. $300. Holy shit, just got the 5 trigger bonus on the high limit. Holy shit. It's $500, baby. Fuck. Fuck yes. Oh no, it's still going. Wow, never had a 5 trigger pull. Honey. Are you sure? Yep. Don't fuck with me. Oh my god! Holy shit! 5,000 quarters. Fuck yes, come on, please be good to me. Chip, please. Preferably. Oh, come on. There we go. There's something. Oh, shit. Another hand pay. Yeah, this was the. We were about to go home after this one. Holy shit. Oh, come on, Chip. God.
Oh my god.
Not a massive hand pay.
On the bonus, but
yeah, but it was on the trigger. All right, there it is. Hand pay jackpot, $1,316.25. Yeah. Bonus time. Let's get that chip, 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 chip. Dang it. Chip, chip, chip. Oh, what the hell? There we go. chip, 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 chip. Cars and tins. Oh, I didn't even go across. Chip. Oh, it was right there. Chip, 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 chip. Come on, chips. Chip, 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 chip. Car. Ooh, that was good. Chip. Picked up another $130. Hell yeah.
Yay! Ooh, yes. More.
There you go.
Yes.
Get it, baby. Get that banner.
Last one. Come on, get it. I'm happy with it. I'm so happy with that. I believe that was second spin. Yay. Ooh, more.
Oh, honey.
That would have been nice.
That's $750 just between those two.
Ooh.
It's $4,000 is $1,000.
That's true. So that's
So-
$250 on that one, yeah. That would have been nice. Oh, progressives. That looks so pretty. Come on, more. Dang it. Alright, $12.50. A spin just for a little bit. Because quarters are not my friend. More. Dang it. I don't know. This just... high betting like this stresses me out. For John, it's just like the norm, but
Water underneath the bridge.
this gives me anxiety.
I have to go to the other side or something.
Alright. Last one, I'm good with it. I don't think you can do anything else because that other one was amazing.